Okay, so today I think we're going to be doing what might well be the most bizarre product unboxing we've ever done here on the Linux Lounge. We're going to be taking a look at an extension lead. Now, I don't think you can get any more mundane than an extension lead, but somehow Punkt, who are perhaps better known for their Punkt dumb phones, have reinvented this product and made it something actually worth talking about. Now, how exactly you can take the extension lead and make a great innovation, I have no idea, but the guys over at Punkt have done it, so well done, Punkt. Now, this is the Punkt ES01, and as you can see, it is an extension lead. The idea behind this thing is it cleans up cable clutter, it's easier on the eyes than a regular extension lead, and it's just generally better, and has some other features like an on and off switch and surge protection. So really great bit of kit. Now, as you can see, this is the box that it came in, and for a simple extension lead, it's a very nice box. Now, for some reason, the white one is on the box. Now, I don't actually think they sell the white one anymore, which is frustrating because that would have been the one I'd get. Instead, I went with the black one. There is also a red one, but that seemed a bit too lively for me. So let's go ahead and open it up. And if we lift the top off here, you can see the product itself. And there it is in all of its glory. Now, this thing does not look like an extension lead at all, and that's kind of the point. But let's go ahead and get it out of the box and take a closer look. Believe me, there's nothing else in here, just a warranty card with some instructions on it. So if we move this to the side and get this into view, as you can see, this is a very nice looking product. We also take off this foam covering, we can see the whole thing. Now, the idea is when this thing is sitting wherever it's going to live, whether that be on your desk, on the floor, whatever, it's going to look like this. Now, this is a very non-assuming looking device. It looks really just like any other piece of technology. Certainly it doesn't scream extension cable. But what you can do is twist off the top, and as you can see, there's the actual cable that connects to the wall. It's actually a felt covering, so it's really nice. If we move that to one side, you can see all of the plugs. Now, I'm in the UK, so this is obviously the UK version, but they sell it with pretty much every type of plug you could imagine. So if you want to get one of these things, you certainly can for your region. Now, for the purposes of demonstration, I actually have a charger on hand, and what you can actually do is plug it in. And as you can see, you've got 5 such places to plug things in. They're decently spaced apart, so unless you have like some really blocky cable, you should be okay. And the idea is, you use the cable management tool here, which I'm obviously butchering because I'm trying to do it through the camera viewfinder. And then you can put the lid back on. And as you can see, that is neatly managed. So the idea is you'd have all of your cables coming out from one place. Very cool. And let's go ahead and just take this off and take my cable back. Now, I have run into some problems with using this. The only thing that I've noticed that's a problem is if you do have a blocky cable, this top bit may actually not fit back on. So you might just have to use it like this, which obviously loses a lot of the visual appeal, but I suppose it's no less useful like this. But all in all though, I'm very happy with this, and I never thought I'd be so excited about an extension lead. So good on the guys over at Punkt, and I hope at some point I can get my hands on one of their phones or something, because I really do want to try it out. Now, in conclusion, who exactly is this product for? Well, I think it's really for the kinds of people that would go for Punkt's other products. Really minimalist people who really care about how a product looks and really care about having things neatly organised. Now, this thing was £35, so obviously quite a bit more expensive than your average extension lead. But for that £35, you get a really well thought out product with really high build quality and a lot of great features. So if you're someone who's obsessed with cable management, this may very well be a worthwhile investment. And certainly I don't have any buyer's remorse over getting this. But with that said though, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.